Hello, friends. Today we're fixing this broken iPhone 13 Pro Max. You might be wondering, the screen and the frame look fine, so what's actually broken? Hold on, I'll show you. It's terrible to look at. The back glass is shattered. Look at the slot on the side of the frame. People who know their stuff will immediately recognize this is an American version of the iPhone. Even a beginner can open it up. About the model, if the suffix is LA, it's the American version. For example, this one is a 512 gigabytes iPhone 13 Pro Max. But the American version may be locked. If it's locked, I wouldn't recommend buying it. Personally, I suggest going for the Chinese version. I checked the phone's functionality. Everything's fine except for the shattered back glass. After discussing with the owner, we decided to replace it with a small hole back glass. But before starting the repair, I found another useless thing. It's this dust-proof net on the charging port. Why do I call it useless? Because when you think it will protect from dust, you remove it and realize it does nothing. The screws underneath are even rusted. It's basically a waste of money. Watch out for this. These two charging port screws, after being blocked by water stains for a long time, are completely rusted. We'll replace them with new ones shortly. We'll put the phone in the special fixture, fix it, then push it into the official heat dismantling screen machine. We're starting the tear down. At this point, some of you may be confused. The back glass is only broken. Why are we disassembling the phone? This is actually a common misunderstanding about back glass repairs. For iPhones, replacing the back glass is not as simple as just removing and replacing it. You have to disassemble the phone for the replacement. If not, there could be many hidden issues later. Do you know why? Hit follow, and let's chat while we repair. If you think this video is helpful, please send me a $1 gift in the comments. Thank you. Gently opening the phone. Thankfully, the interior is still pretty clean. Even though the back glass is shattered, the glass shards haven't entered the internal compartment. So far, everything looks good, and the phone hasn't been repaired before. First, we'll apply protective tape to the Face ID module. Let's continue the disassembly. While disassembling, I still want to remind you, once an iPhone is repaired by a third party, it can no longer enjoy official repair services. So, if you need repairs, you must go to an authorized service provider, okay? After removing the screen, we'll set it aside. Next, we'll disassemble all the components inside the phone. Then we'll replace the back glass. This includes the speaker, vibration module, battery, large camera slot, mainboard, ear speaker, and the LiDAR scanner. Everything needs to be removed, because if we start with the back glass, a lot of glass shards will fall into the internal compartment. If there are still components inside, they could get damaged by the shards. Even if nothing was wrong before, after all this, it could be broken. So now, any repair shop with knowledgeable technicians will never just remove the back glass directly. The phone must be disassembled first. Got it? For American version iPhones, there's one key difference from the Chinese version. The motherboard has a millimeter wave antenna, but don't worry, it's not used in China. Some people quietly watch the video, but secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. Those people are so sweet. We've disassembled enough. Most of the components inside are removed. Now, we'll protect the three lenses. Let's start removing the back glass. Under the cold light, we'll use special equipment to slowly scan the back glass. It will precisely avoid the magnets, wireless charging, and other critical components. There's no bad smell, unlike the traditional method where the glass burns and smells. After removal, the middle frame looks like new, no scratches at all. It doesn't damage the core components and stays clean. After scanning, the back glass becomes semi-transparent. Now it's easy to remove, a little lift, and it comes off. After removal, here's the result. We're replacing it with an original, small hole back glass. The lens holes are smaller than the lens rings on the body, so it won't fit perfectly. We must remove the 3 steel rings around the lenses, then it will fit perfectly. After that, we install the new back glass. Finally, we reinstall the steel rings. First, we apply a new wireless charging protection sticker. Then we handle the steel rings. Using a grinder, we lightly score the steel rings' edges. Then carefully pry off the 3 lens steel rings. Once removed, the back glass fits perfectly. As you can see, installing small hole glass requires precision. You can't skip any steps. Next, we'll apply glue to the back glass, using a low-temperature glue machine. We apply the AB mixed glue evenly, following Apple's official glue path. The glue lines are clean and neat, just like Apple's factory process. I must say, modern equipment is incredible. After applying the glue, we carefully align the back glass and press it into place. Using a waterproof glue pressing tool, we apply pressure. This low-temperature glue has strong adhesion. It sets quickly, and in 4 to 5 minutes, the glue is solid. No worries about loosening. After applying the glue, we reinstall the steel rings around the lenses to restore the appearance. Then we use a UV light to cure the glue. The final result is perfect. The back glass fits seamlessly with the middle frame, the edges are smooth, and there's no glue overflow. The look and feel are just like a new phone, even perfectionists will give a thumbs up. Next, we clean the waterproof glue and tidy up the phone body. Thanks again for the gifts you've sent through the comments section. Your gifts mean everything to me. After cleaning up the body, this is the final result. The middle frame looks great. The only downside is the charging port. The oxidation marks caused by the dust-proof net. After a long time, they can't be cleaned off now. That's why I don't recommend using these useless protection nets. Now, let's start assembling the phone. We've already cleaned all the components. Make sure there are no glass shards left before reassembling. Otherwise, you'll have endless problems later. While assembling, let's talk about the cost-effectiveness of replacing the back glass. A lot of people ask me, how does your back glass replacement compare to the official service? To be honest, let's break down the cost. Official repairs are stable, but they're expensive. For the iPhone 13 Pro Max, if you go to the official service, it costs 1,298 renminbi. But here, we can repair and replace the back glass, including the original waterproof glue, and it costs only a fraction of the official price. Some people want the perfect repair, so we can replace the entire back cover, but it'll cost more. The new back glass looks amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks again for watching. The repair is complete. The back glass is perfectly restored. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to follow and like. Bye. Once again, thanks for the gifts sent through the comments section.